YouTube channel. For today, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this Style Forever Create Your Own Lava Lamp.
Yeah.
We bought this online. We're going to be putting the link below if you want one.
Yes.
Let's go open it. I'm very excited.
Yes, me too.
Guys, as you can see, the box is very colorful.
Yes, I know, right? That's
Okay, let's see what's inside.
This is the lava lamp.
Yes, it is the lava lamp. Look, guys. The lava lamp looks very beautiful. And it's colored metallic pink. And we have some crystals over here. And the cap is like the crystal's top.
Ate Arky, did you know my favorite color is metallic pink because it's even pink?
Uh-huh. Okay, here we have the decorations to decorate the lava lamp, of course.
And the instructions.
Yeah, of course. We have the instructions. Very
And
important.
did I say it wrong?
No. And by the way, guys, when we're going to be making the lava lamp, we will also be needing some water and 3 triple A batteries. Let's go make it now.
Yes, I'm so excited.
We have here the lava lamp, the coloring, some shiny stuff, beads, the insert, mermaid, flamingo, and a unicorn one, glitter, Orbeez, and stickers.
Yes.
Guys, first we're going to put the decorations inside the lava lamp. Maggie, please put the shiny stuff and the Orbeez inside.
Okay.
Be careful, okay? Ooh.
Oh, one more.
One more. Come on, go down. Okay, there. Now, time for the shiny stuff.
Okay.
Here. Be careful there. Whoa! That's nice. That's a nice fall, actually.
Yes.
Okay, next for me, I will be putting the pebbles. Or, I mean the beads, yes. They kind of look like pebbles, that's why. Okay, there we go. Okay, oh, there's one. Last one. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Okay, the last one is the glitter. I'm scared. Ooh. There's on my hand.
Me too.
Okay, here is what. Here it is.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
They-
Okay, here is what we did. Guys, it's time to put the water.
Be careful at the
Okay, it's kind of heavy. Ooh.
I believe I can fly.
Ooh, it looks beautiful. Look at them, guys.
I'm so
Floating and going around and around. That
The
looks
bees
beautiful
on-
already. So guys, we will be putting this green coloring first into our lava lamp. Just a little drops, okay?
Yes. They is expensive. Oh.
You think that's enough? Or yeah, that's enough now.
Well,
There we go.
it's.
It's still not there, but I think it will show later.
I see it.
Me too. Okay. Guys, next we will be putting the insert. We pick mermaid.
You said it with me, bro.
Wait, what? I can't put it. Wait. There we go. Should look like this.
Maybe you need
let's put it inside and see what it looks like.
Okay, show it.
Wait, let's close it first.
Show it.
Guys, look!
Yeah.
Wow. It looks beautiful.
Yes. Can you turn it?
Guys, sticker time. Let's put some. Okay.
Let's put the be unique.
Okay. Be
Like that?
unique it is.
Like that?
Where?
Let's put it right over in the.
Like this.
Be unique. Okay, so I will put this.
I'll fix it first. Yeah, I think this is nice.
I love
Me too. Here, let's put it right over here. Oh my gosh, that's looking cute. Where should we put the star?
Well, maybe right over here, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. Maggie's singing nursery rhymes. I guess that's it. That it's already looking good.
Yeah.
Beautiful. The diamond shine bright like a diamond. Okay, guys, we're done. It looks so beautiful.
Wanna own it?
Guys, we already put some AAA batteries. All you need to do is to twist it. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful! Whoa! Wow! Look at the under, guys. Oh my gosh, it has light.
What if we off it?
Wow.
Let's off it and off the lights and then.
Oh my gosh, that would be perfect. Wow! It looks so beautiful. It works.
Let's try it when the lights are off.
Guys, the light under is changing colors. It's making it beautiful. More beautiful.
But it's already beautiful.
That's why I said more beautiful. Wow. Guys, the Style Forever Create Your Own Lava Lamp is a success. I enjoyed making this with Maggie, and you can make this too with your classmates, your friends, your siblings. Like, it's very easy and very fun. I give this a 10 out of 10. How about you, Maggie?
10 out of 10 too because it's a fun activity.
Yes! Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like our video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell button, and if you have comments, put it at the comment section below. Goodbye!
And we are gonna try it in the darkness.
Guys, this is what it looks like when the lights are off. It's so beautiful. Wow. The lights.
I'm gonna fade when I see that.
Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I love it. I love it.
Bravo! Bravo! Bravo!
Oh, it's so beautiful.
You look so beautiful, but look at me.
Maggie, look at this. The Orbeez looks so beautiful with the light.
Yes.
Wow.
I look so beautiful, but look at me.